OnePlus is introducing a new smartphone, and that is OnePlus 13T. The OnePlus 13T is shaping up to a compelling compact flagship smartphone. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The design showcases a metal frame. It aims to deliver powerful performance in a smaller, more pocketable design. OnePlus is coming with LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display. It has a small, beautiful and powerful, a flat 6.31 inches display with 1440 by 2160 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate with 1600 nit peak brightness. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 888 chipset points towards flagship level processing power with the addition of 4.32 GHz octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno 830. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. The camera setup features a dual camera system with 250 megapixel wide sensor. That's all for now and thanks for watching.